Ciao and welcome. My name is Klaus Busse. I'm head of design for Maserati. And today we're super excited to introduce to you the latest edition of our lineup. The design of a Maserati is always about visual longevity. And the way we accomplish this is through great proportions, clean surfaces, and iconic details. The face, directly derived from the MC20 supercar with its high-mounted headlights and the low-mounted grille that frames our iconic logo, the Trident. The upper part of the car sculpted by hand, whereas in contrast, the lower part is all about engineering, carbon fiber designed in the computer. But a Maserati is never just about style. It's equally about performance. And so our engineers, again, are delivering perfect weight balance, allowing for outstanding handling in any situation. It is, in a way, like driving in a new movie every day. This is the all-new
Grecale. The all-new Maserati Grecale. Look at this. It's pure sculpture.
Ciao Matilda, ciao Alessandro.
Ciao.
What do you think of our new baby?
It's great. Timeless style, classic lines, elegant, but projected towards the future.
Yeah, I agree. A design that reminds you of the MC20, but with some...
Something new. Something eternal, I'd say, wouldn't you? One.
It's starting to rain.
What?
Don't you hear the thunder?
No.
No? You don't believe me? Will you never believe me? Even though you say you love me.
Klaus, take over! A storm is coming! The key!
So, this is the end. Our love over all these years doesn't mean anything to you.
I just don't want to go on like this.
We moved the gear shifter out of the way to open up space for a more intense in-car experience. But also for better interaction with Mia, Maserati Intelligent Assistant.
Oh, true, you're right. Alexa, put on a romantic music, please.
The playlist Canzoni d'Amore on Amazon Music.
Yeah.
Thank you. Do you remember when we...
I like this song.
When the wolves and wild dogs bay,
Did they find us?
Who?
We have to go. Move. I'm driving.
What is happening?
Run! Run! Run!
What is...
Hurry up! They're coming for us!
Yeah, okay.
Run!
Hey, Maserati! Let's go home. And Alexa, put 20 degrees temperature at home, please.
The heat set to 20.
How? How did they find us?
Did you hear the sound of this engine? Next time we have to use the electric version. Oh my God. Oh, we have to hurry up. Good thing the Grecale is the first Maserati digital clock, right?
Well, it's not just a clock. It gives you a lot more information about Grecale. Alexa, play some powerful music.
Playing Power Music on Amazon Music.
Ale, hang in there. I'm gonna take you home, okay?
The sound inside the car is fantastic too, no?
I'm gonna take you home safe.
It's the Sonos Faber system with 21 speakers.
All right, I'm okay.
The trunk.
What?
Did we get everything?
I think so.
All right. Okay, wait. What,
Don't worry, baby, do we have the children's bag?
Oh, yes.
Okay, the inflatable pool?
Yeah.
The camp stove?
Yeah.
The slapping in case it snows?
Yeah.
The guitar, I don't see the guitar.
The guitar.
Thank you.
The guitar.
Yeah.
It's okay.
There sure is plenty of room, huh?
Yep. And there is still some space left over. Just in case.
Perfect.
Do you know why there is so much space?
Sure I do. The design and the 570-liter capacity. Obvious.
She knows.
They really seem to enjoy the space in the front row. But with our engineers, we were also able to create best-in-class space for the rear compartment in every possible dimension you can measure. Shoulder room, headroom, leg room, boot space, and interior storage. Okay, signature sound. It's performance time.
In the end, looks like we're back where it all started out.
Do you hear that?
What? 530 horsepower twin turbo V6.
Yes, the Nettuno engine inherited from the MC20 that allows for...
High efficiency and output. That's the one. Exactly that.
Aluminium and carbon fiber prop shaft for weight saving,
It has the best power to weight ratio in class.
as well as top speed.
And top acceleration too.
Well, actually the fuel is injected directly into the cylinder at 350 bar, and the air-fuel mixture is pushed into a central pre-combustion chamber during the compression stroke. Near top dead center, the mixture is ignited by a spark plug in the pre-chamber and then channeled back into the cylinder via a series of holes, triggering multiple further ignition areas. It's an amazing, super efficient engine. And this is just the Trofeo. The GT and Modena versions with hybrid powertrains are also available. And coming up next year, we will complete our range with the state-of-the-art electric engine, the Grecale Folgore.
All right. 10 points for Klaus.
Anyway, I won. Yeah.
I don't think so. No, I got at least 2 more points than you on the engine challenge.
I don't think it's true. But anyway, who cares? Look at this car. It really is as beautiful as all the best movies, huh?
Yeah. But why are you dressed like that right now?
Matilda. 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 Where are you? Come on, baby, where are you? Matilda. Klaus, did you see Matilda, please? Where is she? Klaus, I really don't know what is happening.
You know what? It looks like she does like the Grecale.
Oh, yeah? Too much, maybe.
But on the other hand, I've been counting too, and I think you won.
Oh, really?
You do know cars.
It's okay. Well, I think this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
Let's go. We have to walk. Yeah, but it's okay.